Few months, my friend TheoBaldtheBird and I have been on a lot of different adventures on the unstable SMP, but today, we had a slightly different idea. You see, Theo and I always argue about which one of us is the biggest bird.
Oh my gosh, dude.
This is why I'm the biggest bird.
I'm the biggest bird.
Well, I'm the biggest bird, bro. Just that even both of our YouTube channel descriptions say the same thing. But this time, we wanted to see what would happen if the two of us teamed up and entered a bunch of different PvP tournaments on a competitive Minecraft server.